Okay, I'm going to try, this is for number 11 in the activities, the hyperbolic geometry activities. I'm going to try and make a rectangle. East for fun. All right, let's give it a whirl here. Let's start out with a segment. I'll make me a segment here. There it is. There's the segment. Then I'm going to do some perpendiculars to the point. I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put one there. Okay, so I've got two right angles all set up. Now I'm going to take my circle, and I'm going to start here and go out to here, and that should give me, that should make this length up here the same as that length there. Just trying to get my right angle in. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see what I want to do. I want to put a point. I guess I'm going for a square. I got a rectangle square. Tomato burrito. Okay, so now let's get rid of this thing here. I don't want to see it anymore. Okay, so now I need to do this tool again. Wait, where is it? At a point. I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go there. Okay, so now if this is the side and that's the side, they're not matching up, are they? They're not connecting. So we're going to need to do some dragging and fiddling there. Okay, so there, let's put a point there to show that they're, in fact, together. Will it work? Yes, it sure did. Now let's measure these stinking angles. What do you say? All right, so we're going to go boom, 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 90, boom, 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 90, boom, 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 90. Notice there I've got three 90s. Am I going to get this fourth one? If you were a betting person, you would say no. And the reason is no, because you can't. It doesn't work. So there are no rectangles in hyperbolic land, and that really stinks. That was a short one, wasn't it? And you probably know why. You figure it out. Something about triangles triangles adding up to be less than 180. Okay, from what I see, I've got to go pick up my daughter from piano. This was number 11. Rock and roll.